Good afternoon, y'all. Porch light here. Yeah, you're seeing what you think you see. We're going inside. Now, right now, I have an array of houseplants as well as, as well as regular plants. And regular plants are plants to feed us. Because, those are the plants that we plant, right? So, with that being said, as you see, you got some basil, some more basil, got some sweet potatoes, looking a little raggedy, but you know. And then we even got some apple trees growing in there. And look at what we have. Barely in the winter, well, not even in the winter time. Well, I think it's the first day of winter. But you see that, right? Yeah. They popped up about a week ago and they are growing. Now, I've even put plantain in these pots because they feed the bunny. You see all these avocado plants, y'all? We can't let them sit outside in the winter, so we gotta bring them in. Now this, I call this guy here the main event. So the avocado seed that started growing outside when the groundhogs literally came and ate the leaves off of all the avocado plants I had. I had one guy that I was able to bring in from the house. He had a couple leaves on him. Took him in, put him in the pot, and he's been here ever since. So he's been in this pot for about a year, and maybe he's about 14 months old. Look at that. Look at that. And that's not even why it's the main event, y'all, because y'all know avocados get big. The main event is the fact that this tomato plant is growing up this guy. So it's looking like a hybrid of a thing that gives you beauty as well as food. Now we got it budding. Yeah, look at that. Yep, we got it budding. And just basically cutting these leaves off. I'll probably end up topping this. Okay. Topping that, maybe, putting in water or maybe air layering it. But by the time I air layer, the thing will be to the ceiling. So I'll probably top it, keep it this height, and start again. We're not really worried about that because, this is going to take years for it to fruit. But the point is, y'all, we're still growing. Still keeping it going. This don't even include what we got going outside. Yeah? You know how we do. Just want to give y'all a glimpse of what's going on. So keep growing, keep showing. It's all about you knowing. Porch light out.